So you always wanted those perfect elongated cat eyes without surgery or fillers, but with makeup and a special tool, which I'm going to introduce to you in a second. Hello, I'm Hajar, and today I want to teach you the easiest way to transform your eyes into these beautiful snatched cat eyes, all created just with an eyeliner, eyeshadow, and an eye lifting strap tool. The third requirement is optional, but it does half the job of elongating your eyes. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First of all, I wear the lifting tool by pinning the clips onto my hair next to my temple. Then I just adjust the tightness of the strap. I just found out about this tool while working on a model. She had them on, and honestly, it changed the makeup look I applied on her immensely and made her eyes look snatched. Since I have a hooded eye shape, this tool also helps me to lift the skin that is sitting on top of my lid and making my eyes look tired. That way, when I apply eyeliner later, it will not look crooked either, since the wing of my eyeliner will not interfere with any excess skin. Long story short, if you have hooded eyes and deal with uneven eyeliner all the time, then this tool is for you. I'll link the product in the description box if you're interested to try it out. Finally, we're 50% closer to our goal of snatched looking cat eyes. First of all, I contour my whole mobile lid using a blending brush and a warm nude beige eyeshadow shade called Smarty Pants from the Tarte Lid palette in Bloom. Just apply it evenly all over your lid and a little above your crease fold. Mainly focus on blending the outer part of your eyes into the crease fold. Next, I choose a brown liquid eyeliner by Sense Cosmetics. Start with applying the eyeliner strokes. Important notes are: keep your eyes open and the lines thin, and do not gradually make the lines thicker when reaching the outer edge of the eyes like you normally would do. It should be one equally thin line covering your whole lash line. Now, to make the eyes elongated, especially if they are also a little rounder in shape, apply a small V-shaped wing around your tear duct. It should be really small and thin. Note, if you have close-set eyes, which means your eyes are very close to each other, then skip the V-shaped wing around the tear duct. Otherwise, it will pull your eyes even closer to each other. Next, we switch onto the wing. Here we extend our upper lash line by applying one stroke. To shape the wing into a triangle, connect it back to the upper lash line and fill in. I apply another line on top of the wing to make it look a little thicker. Once the wing is complete, I go back to the sharpest end of it, and from there on, I apply a small thin stroke up until close to the center of my above lid, right on top of the crease fold. You can skip this optional step of applying a graphic line, but I feel like it lifts your eyes further. Now we take an angled eyeliner brush and dip it into the brown shade Activist, which has the same shade as our eyeliner. We apply a small amount on top of that graphic line. Then we grab a smudger brush without product or a little lighter eyeshadow shade like the previous shade called Smarty Pants and smudge the graphic line in small upward motions. And you guys, we're basically done with the most important steps. Next up is lifting your lashes. If they are flat and short, it's nice to do so, or just because you want to apply your mascara quick without applying a lot of layers. Then just use any mascara of your choice. I'm using the Sky High Mascara by Maybelline in the shade Cosmic Black. I apply 2 coats and also a little on my lower lashes. It looks beautiful already without any falsies, but if you feel like it, go for falsies. Here it's important to work with a pair of natural looking lashes that are not too dramatic, as they would cover this beautiful artwork. I'm using the My Lash But Better falsies in the design So Real by the brand Kiss. I have trimmed them to match them to my natural lash line size. I apply them in the center, a little closer to the outer part of my lash line, and press them against my lid for them to stick securely. By the way, this is how the eyeliner looks without the lifting tool. It still looks pretty good, but with the lifting tool on, it's just another level of snatch. Do you agree with me? I would wear this tool maybe for a photo shoot or a special occasion. What about you? Comment down below. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more great makeup tips and tricks every weekend. Thank you.